Hello all, welcome to the lecture number 8. Today we are going to see second example on Laplace equation. So example is solve del 2u by del x square plus del 2u by del y square is equal to 0. Range is given for x is 0 to pi and y for 0 to pi. Means x and y both are finite. It is fixed, which satisfies the condition u of 0y is equal to u of pi y is equal to u of x pi. Means at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to pi and y is equal to pi, value of temperature becomes 0 and u of x0 is equal to sine square x. Now all conditions are given, so I have not written here condition, only simply Laplace equation first we write and its solution is. Now here u is equal to 0 when y tends to infinity, we use first solution. U is equal to 0 when x tends to infinity, we get second solution. But here you can use any one of the solution. So because plate is finite here. So u of xy is equal to c1 into cos px plus c2 into sin px multiplied by c3 e to the power py plus c4 e to the power minus py. Now use one by one condition to find out the constant. So first condition is u of 0y is equal to 0. What it represent? At x is equal to 0, u is equal to 0. Substitute in the problem. So u is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 means c1 plus 0 multiplied by c3 e to the power py plus c4 e to the power minus py. So which term will be 0? c1 become 0. Put c1 value in this solution equation number 1. So 1 become u of xy is equal to c2 multiplied by sin px multiplied by c3 into e to the power py plus c4 e to the power minus py. Now use another condition. Another condition is second condition, which is u of pi y is equal to 0. So u of pi y means at x is equal to pi, u become 0. So this is equation number 2. Now put in this equation number 2. So equation 2 becomes 0 is equal to c2 multiplied by sine of x is equal to pi. So sine of p pi multiplied by c3 e to the power py plus c4 e to the power minus py. Now this bracket cannot be 0. If c2 becomes 0, whole solution becomes 0. So only sine of p pi is equal to 0. Sine of p pi is equal to 0, so equate it with sine n pi. What is the value of p pi? P into pi is equal to n multiplied by pi. Means we are getting here p is equal to n. Next put this value in equation number 2. U of xy, it is equal to c2 multiplied by sine of nx, c3 multiplied by e to the power ny plus c4 multiplied by e to the power minus ny. Now this is another solution. Next is u of xy we obtained. We give this as equation number 3. Next is u of x pi. Third condition, that is u of x pi, it is equal to 0. So what is the meaning of this condition? At y is equal to pi. At y is equal to pi, u value becomes 0. Substitute in equation number 3. So u of u is equal to 0, c2 multiplied by sine of nx as it is, e to the power c3 multiplied by y is equal to pi. So n pi plus c4 e to the power minus of n into pi. So this we obtain. Now which term becomes 0 here? So here we get equation c3 into e to the power n pi plus c4 into e to the power minus n pi is equal to 0, because sine of nx cannot be 0. So this term must be 0. If this is equal to 0, e to the power n pi and e to the power minus n pi cannot be 0. But it can be written as minus times c4. So c3, whatever the value of c3, you will get minus of c4. So in that way you can consider any constant here. So let it be c3 is equal to, we get relation in c3 and c4. c3 is equal to, suppose, a, or I am considering here c5. c3 is equal to c5. So what will be c4? c4 become, or equating that with this ratio, So C4 is equal to minus of C5. See, you can consider this C3 into e to the power n pi is equal to minus of C4 into e to the power minus n pi is equal to minus of C5. You can consider this and you can find out its coefficient. So we get this value minus C5, but if we write instead of minus C5, if it is C5 by 2, then that will be better to convert it into the formula. So we get this value C3 is equal to minus of C5 by 2, because this cannot be 0, and we can equate it with e to the power 0 pi. So next C4 is equal to minus of C5 by 2. This is plus, not minus. So substituting this value in this equation, C3 into e to the power n pi plus C4 into e to the power minus n pi is equal to 0. We get C3 is C5 by 2 into e to the power n pi plus minus C5 by 2 into e to the power minus n pi. This is equal to 0. So we can take common C5 by 2 common, e to the power n pi plus minus e to the power minus n pi divided by 2. So this we get answer, it is equal to 0. Okay, now substituting this in u become u is equal to C2 multiplied by sin nx, C2 multiplied by sin nx multiplied by C5 into e to the power n pi minus e to the power minus n pi divided by 2. Okay, multiplied by, see, you have to substitute here value in this equation. In this equation, if you substitute value, C3 you get separately, C4 you get separately, multiplied by e to the power ny, it is e to the power minus ny. So substitute right here, multiplied by e to the power ny, and here e to the power minus ny divided by 2. So this is u is equal to C2 into C5 sin of nx multiplied by e to the power n pi can be written as e to the power n pi into e to the power ny. So n can be taken common, it is y plus pi. See here, this is C3 is equal to something. See, C3 into e to the power n pi is equal to minus C5 by 2. If we equate, we get C3 is equal to minus C5 by 2 multiplied by e to the power minus n pi, and C5 is C5 by 2 plus into e to the power n pi. So this is the solution, no need to solve this. So substituting here in u become, u is equal to, this I am cancel out, u is equal to C2 multiplied by sin nx multiplied by e to the power C3, that is C5 e to the power minus n pi into e to the power ny divided by 2 minus plus, it is C5 divided by 2 into e to the power minus plus n pi into e to the power minus ny. So this we obtain the solution, but this is minus C4, so we get minus value here. So simplifying this expression, we get u is equal to c2 into c5 denoted by bn sin nx into sin h of, formula for this is sin h of n into pi minus y. So u can be written as n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin h n pi minus y multiplied by sin nx. Now we want value of bn. So to get the value of bn, condition is given as u of x0 is equal to sin square x, y is equal to 0. Meaning is y is equal to 0, u becomes sin square x. So put here sin square x is equal to n equal to 1 to infinity bn multiplied by. Now y is equal to 0, so this becomes 0 sin h n pi. Sin h n pi multiplied by sin a, but this become complete constant term, so it is bn into sin h n pi is equal to 2 by pi integration 0 to pi sin square x into sin nx dx. So 2 by pi 0 to pi 1 minus cos 2x into sin nx by 2, formula for sin square x 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Then multiply that with sin nx, we get sin nx minus sin nx into cos 2x. But formula for sin c into cos d is sin of c plus d by sin of c plus d a plus b multiplied by x plus sin of a minus b multiplied by x whole divided by 2. So simplify it further, substituting upper limit, lower limit, first integrate it. You will get this steps. You can solve this. I am jumping on directly bn value, that is bn into sin of h n pi is equal to minus of 8 into n pi n square minus 4, where n is odd, and bn into sin h pi is equal to 0, where n is even but it is not equal to 2, because in last step we get here n plus 2. So if n is equal to 2, this term become infinity, means whole term become infinity. So that's why for n is not equal to 2, means we have to find out b2. So b2 into sin h2 pi is equal to 2 by pi integration 0 to pi sin square x into sin 2x dx. Now integrating this sin 2x and sin 4x, we get answer is 0. So substituting that value here, u is equal to minus 8 by pi summation n is equal to 1 to infinity, and we are getting this answer only for odd term. So replace n by 2n minus 1. Everywhere you will get this answer. Thank you very much.